In the book Fibre Fuelled, the plant-based gut health plan to lose weight, restore health, and optimize your microbiome, author Dr. Bulsiewicz presents a compelling case for the power of a fiber-rich diet to improve gut health and overall well-being. Drawing on extensive research and his own experiences as a gastroenterologist, Dr. Bulsiewicz argues that many of the chronic health problems that plague modern society can be traced back to imbalances in the gut microbiome, which can be corrected by adopting a plant-based, high-fiber diet. One of the key takeaways from Fibre Fuelled is the importance of fiber in promoting gut health. Dr. Bulsiewicz explains that fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in our gut and helping to create a diverse and robust microbiome. This, in turn, has a range of positive effects on our health, from reducing inflammation to improving mental health and cognitive function. Another important point made by the author is that not all fiber is created equal. Dr. Bulsiewicz advocates for a diet rich in complex carbohydrates, which can be found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. He argues that these types of fiber are more effective at promoting gut health than the simple, refined fibers found in many processed foods. He shares numerous stories from his own practice of patients who have improved their health by adopting a plant-based, high-fiber diet, and he also delves into the science behind the microbiome, and how it affects our health. In addition to the health benefits of a fiber-rich diet, Fibre Fuelled also provides practical advice for incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet. Dr. Bulsiewicz includes numerous recipes and meal plans to help readers get started, and he also offers tips for navigating social situations where plant-based options may not be readily available. Fibre Fuelled is a compelling and informative read that offers a new perspective on the importance of gut health in promoting overall wellness. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your digestion, or simply feel better in your own skin, this book offers a wealth of practical advice and scientific insights to help you achieve your goals.
If you enjoyed this review and would like to purchase the book, support the channel by clicking the affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.